Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make ice cream at home without mixer. Begin by chilling a bowl and utensils, then whip 2 cups heavy cream until soft peaks form. Fold in 1 can sweetened condensed milk and 2 teaspoons vanilla gently to keep air. Pour into a freezer-safe container, smooth the top, and freeze until firm for a scoopable, creamy treat you'll love. Cold equipment makes whipping easier, so chill your bowl and whisk before starting. Whip 2 cups heavy cream to soft peaks, watching texture closely. Over-whipping creates butter. Fold in 1 can sweetened condensed milk and flavorings slowly to keep air in the mixture. If adding chips or fruit, fold gently and distribute evenly. Pour into a prepared container and freeze until set for smooth, scoopable ice cream. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep sharing easy recipes. Quick recommendation: I recently enjoyed The Simple Path to Wealth, a book that simplifies money choices and frees up time for things like homemade ice cream. It changed how I view saving and spending. Check the description for the link and other deals, then now let's get back to the video. For quick flavor swaps, mix in 3 tablespoons cocoa for chocolate or 1 cup mashed berries for fruit. Taste and adjust sweetness. If you want chunks, add chips or nuts after the mixture is semi-frozen so they stay suspended. To serve, let the container sit 5 to 10 minutes at room temperature for easier scooping. These small steps yield a homemade ice cream that rivals churned versions in taste and texture.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.